Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm proud to present you 2015 brand new Lexus NX 200, and this is going to be full in-depth tour of the NX 200. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of interesting features in the exterior as well as the interior, and so here's the key. Let's start the engine, let it run for a while. Basically lock and trunk button. This car comes equipped with a smart key access system. Right now the car is unlocked. To lock, tap this area. And the mirrors fall down, and to unlock, grab the handle. Very simple. White pearl exterior with black interior. This car has 9 airbags, including driving airbag, F-Sport bucket seats, perforated leather. And to start the engine, put your foot on the brake and hit button start. Push button ignition. Very nice startup. This car comes equipped with electric assist parser. I can put in very fluid, as you can see. Full leather wrap, 3-spoke design, multifunctional steering wheel, and your perforated inserts. 3 to 9. F-Sport logo, fake aluminum trim, horn, power tilt and telescopic. Very nice. Naturally, all windows in this car fully automatic, both direction, up and down, and the windows slow down, as you can see. Very nice. Rear windows. Power mirrors. They're also heated. By the way, huge mirrors. And of course, power folding. Very convenient feature, especially in tight parking spaces. Power window lock, central lock, and right now guys, let's open the hood and take a quick look at the exterior of this car. Lever right there to open the hood. Chrome accent window frames. Let's turn the headlight, front rear fog lights, high beam. LED tail lights. Very nice looking. Rear defrosting glass, rear wiper. Sharp 10 on 10, deck with spoiler, LED front brake light, LED license plate lights, rear view camera, rear parking assist, dual exhaust pipes, gorgeous body lines, multi-spoke aluminum wheels, 18-inch tires measuring 235/55, 4-wheel disc brakes, matte flaps, LED terracotta exterior mirrors, dark painted mirrors, F-Sport logo, heated windshield wipers, this area, aggressive front, full LED headlamps, headlight washers, LED daytime running lights, front parking assist, LED fog lights, Promax grill, huge Lexus emblem, this car has inline 4, 16 valve, dual head cam with variable valve timing with intelligence, 2-liter turbocharged engine. It produced 238 horsepower, maximum speed of 200 km per hour, 0-6 time is 7.2 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 8 liter per 100 km. The car is 4-wheel drive. The fuel tank is around 60 liters. Independent MacPherson strut suspension with anti-roll bar up front and independent multi-link suspension out back. LED rear fog light, And right now, guys, we take a good look at the exterior. Let's take a good look at the interior portion, the most interesting part. Padded door panels, as you can see, leather wrap armrest, storage and bottle holder right there, aluminum entry guards, Lexus, tire pressure, warning, driver's seat has power adjustment, standard sliding, seat high, recline, two-way power lumbar, seats are extremely comfortable, adjustable headrests and spots, turn off the parking sensors, power trunk, locking off the central differential, and heated steering wheel, aluminum sport pedals, LED illumination, driving airbag, don't trip and panel them. And right now, guys, let's see what kind of noise this engine produces. Very nice sound. Build quality and all the materials are just excellent. Soft touch, but this center console is hard touch plastic, two-tone, very nice looking. It gives you light indicator controls right there, and your intimate wiper controls right there. You can raise and lower the volume, different modes, select between different track or select between different station. Your telephone controls, on hook and off hook buttons, and of course voice commands for the telephone.
There are no telephones set up to make calls.
As you can see, driver information system right there, and your cruise control settings. Set speed. Outside temperature, 38 degree, odometer, current fuel economy, after reset, range, after reset, average speed, eco indicator. Very nice. Left and right, brake. Not bad. Your audio information, speed warning, speed settings, Power trunk on and off, eco mode, language, you can choose your language, of course. Unit, once again, units, switch settings, try and pop-up display, color, you can choose your color, tire pressure monitoring system, oil maintenance, as you can see. Not bad at all. Very nice system. 4 arrows, OK button, main menu and back button. Thick steering wheel, very nice leather. And your infotainment system. Audio, menu, back button, you can scroll and OK button. Of course, presets, stations. Quite easy to use. FM radio settings. Very nice. Main menu. Your audio. Climate control information. You can adjust temperature for the driver, for the passenger. You can adjust fan speed. Quite nice. Automatic mode, different modes, temperature, air conditioning. Dual means you can control both sides, otherwise individual settings for the temperature, for the climate control. Your telephone control, nope. Car, average speed, lapse time, cruising range. Different settings. Not bad. Information and basically setup. General language, units of measurement, beep, button colors, animation, voice volume, Bluetooth, audio, sound settings, treble, bass, beta, balance, vehicle customization, door lock settings, climate settings, built-in air filter, actually very fresh air, light settings, pretty much self-explanatory, and other vehicle settings. Lexus Park Assist, alert volume, display, front sonar, rear sonar, telephone. That's pretty much it, and your display settings, screen out, general, and camera. As you can see, contrast, camera, very nice system to use. Beautiful Lexus analog clock. Your temperature adjustment right there. Dual, different modes, air conditioning, recycle, auto recycle settings, fan speed, automatic mode, off, front rear defrost, also heated exterior mirrors, and of course passenger back indicator, seatbelt, 3-stage heated seats for the driver and for the passenger, high, medium, low, and off. Disc color right there, power button, volume, eject, radio, media, your different settings right here, manual tuning, eco mode, sport, sport plus, and normal. Eco, Sport, Sport Plus, and Normal. Turn off the electronic stability program, electronic brake to disengage, put your foot on brake and then press it with auto hold function, and to engage it back, just pull, very simple. Electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, rear view camera with guidance lines, very clear graphic, with manual tiptronic shifting, plus and minus, plus for the upshift and minus for the downshift, plus these paddle shifters right there, perforated inserts on shift knob, seat cup holders, and your mirror for the ladies, leather wrap center console, warning right there, it's all Russian specification, I believe. And actually this is wireless charger for your phone, USB, auxiliary inputs, and power outlet. Everything is padded. Auto dim rear view mirror, map lights, touch sensitive map lights, full LED, microphone with a hands-free, very nice card holder right there, Vandermeer, sound visors, Vandermeer with illumination, black roof, basically Sport and Sport Plus to unleash the power. True Japanese quality. Very nice looking vehicle, that's for sure. I think this is best value for your money. Incredible car inside and out. Right now guys, let's check the rest of the vehicle, shall we? And that beeping here means that the proximity key left detection of the interior. Fuel cap, and here's your holder. Child safety locks right there. Soft leather wrap armrest, speakers, tweeters, stereo stereo. Back seats are very nice. 60/40 split, almost completely flat. Child seat anchors right there. Adjustable headrests. The back seats also has SFX system. Recline for the seat. Very comfortable seats. Legroom and headroom is more than enough for me, my 6'3" stature. Cot hug. Storage pockets right there and right there. Rear vents. Ice cold air conditioning. And there is no center tunnel. Armrest. Soft. 2 cup holders. LED interior illumination. Gorgeous interior. Love it. And right now, guys, let's check the rest of the vehicle, shall we? In my opinion, second row is suitable for a 3 person, that's for sure. Very roomy. Power trunk. Cargo collar, your illumination, part lid, cargo tie-downs, jack tools, a gate right there, storage, solid Russian specification, closed trunk, it's quite easy. Your central lock and power window. Warning right there. And you can find same power adjustment for the passenger seat except seat hop. Lockable left compartment, very good size, white and blue, and with illumination, I believe cooled, for your knee, soft inserts, rear legs, awesome, just awesome. In my opinion, incredible car inside and out, looks stunning. Now, shut it down. Beautiful attention to the details. Very nice. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look this 2015 Lexus NX 200 Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to catch you next time. This is not where it came from. Thanks for watching and take care, guys.